Hello everyone. Today I will tell you a story to improve your English. It's just a practice to improve your English, and it's I know the kids will like this, and you can tell some stories to improve your English. You can speak some stories in front of the camera to improve your English, and it's just a practice to improve the English. So today I will tell you a story like about two goats, and with this stories kids will understand kids will learn a lesson, as well as they will improve their English also. And kids love short stories in which animals are always up to something. This goat story in English is one such interesting fable that also teaches an important life lesson to the kids. The story is about two silly goats who get into an argument and have an expected end. So uh, let's share it together, and to find out why the goats get into a fight and what happens to them in the end. The two goats This is a story about two goats. Once upon a time, there were two goats who lived in a dense jungle. They were both equally and often got into arguments with each other. The two goats did not like each other. A river passed by the forest on which a narrow bridge was built to allow the animals to cross it. The bridge was narrow enough to allow only one animal to cross at a time. So, the fight. One day, one of the silly goats was crossing the bridge when he saw the other goat in the opposite direction, who was also trying to cross the bridge. Since the bridge was so narrow, it was impossible for the two goats to pass at the same time. Goats standing at the edge of the bridge. Both the goats stood at the edges of the bridge, waiting for the other to go back. Suddenly, the first goat said, "I want to go first, allow me to pass." The other goat replied, "No, you move aside. I have come a long way, so I shall pass first." They continued arguing for a while, and neither of them was willing to move. The consequence, tired of waiting, the two goats started crossing the bridge from their ends at the same time. Soon they reached the middle of the bridge over the river. The goats again started arguing about who would cross first. In no time, the argument turned into pushes and blows, where one goat struck the other with its horns. The silly goats fighting in the middle of the bridge. The first turned furious, and since the bridge was too narrow, the two goats lost their balance amidst the fight and simultaneously fell into the river below. The river carried them away with its swift current. Both the silly goats drowned and died. So, conclusion. Now, do you see why the two goats were fighting and how badly they ended their lives? Don't you agree it was silly losing one's life over a small argument? Remember that fighting only causes harm in the end.